Hello students, see today we see another criteria, another property of the triangle 6.2 that we successfully solved, and hope you understand all the questions. Yesterday I was saying you that the picture which is the solved examples. Now today we see the next concept of criteria of similarity of the triangles. As you know very well that criteria of the congruency of triangle, that we know very well that. Okay. See what is the difference of congruency and the similarity that I was explained in the first period of this triangle. Now see here we see the criteria of the similarity of the triangles. Listen, as you know that when we say the two triangles are the congruent or two triangles are the similar, as suppose their shape and size both are same, both are equal, then we can refer their two figures are what? Congruent. And in the similarity there is no need of the shape, size. We only see the shape. If the two triangles having the same shape, means they are triangular of course, and doesn't matter what are the size of there. Their size may be the vary. Some is a big size, some is a small size. But if their shape is same, then we say that the two triangles are the similar. But for the similarity of any figure, or we can refer here the triangle. So if we say the two triangles are similar, so it has some conditions. Okay, see here is given that here is. These two triangles are there, ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangles, observe this. Here is what the shape of the two triangles are what same. Means they are triangular in shape and they are looking the same shape. But what about their sizes? See, this is the bigger one, this is a smaller in comparison of the first. Second is what smaller. So shape is same, but their sizes are different. Sizes are different. Then we refer these as a similar. But every time it is possible. That is one of the question. Because two different figures, suppose two figures we can say. So there is some criteria. That is what if triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. If suppose we can say these two triangles are not similar. We say that. Then what the condition? The first condition is that their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. The meaning is that if angle A is equal to angle P, angle P is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Okay, we note it as a like this one. So this is their corresponding angles are equal. Means you can see that if this condition we apply, so angle A is equal to angle B, P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. This is one. Second condition is that their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means they are proportional. Or you can say instead of this one, they are proportional. Same ratio means this AB and PQ. So what is the meaning of this one? Side AB and side PQ. This ratio is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Okay, these ratio are the same or they are in proportion. These two conditions, if any two triangles are satisfied in these two conditions, means we can say these two triangles are similar. Or vice versa, if the two triangles are already given they are similar, so they follows this criteria. Means we can write is written as triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. See this word similar to. Instead of this word, we can use this symbol. This symbol is referred as what? Similar. So we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. As we refer this symbol, we can use for the congruence of triangles. This is what? Congruent. It means its shape is same and size also same. It is only referred as the shape. It is only for the understanding, because here only this is this is removed here. So this is the understanding part. What is the meaning of these symbols? Okay. Now, so this is triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Any two triangles, suppose they are given. Now for the criteria. As we know in the correspondence of the triangles, there are some criteria of side, angle, or side, angle. Here are given some. So we can see first is that that is angle, 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 is referred as, this is what, angle, 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 criteria for similar triangle. This is for, these are for what? Similar triangles only. This is the criteria for similar triangles. First is that angle, angle, angle. See, sometimes it is referred as angle, angle, criteria for similar triangle also. Angle, angle, criteria. What is the meaning of this? If suppose these are the two triangles, then suppose it is again ABC. Again like this one. This is PQR. Okay, see, if angle A is equal to angle P, okay, angle A is equal to angle P is given already. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. What about the third angle? By angle sum property of triangle, we find out, we prove that the angle C is equal to angle R. Okay, because angle sum property says that the sum of angles of a triangle is what, 180. If these two triangles angles are same, so third angle is already same by using what, the sum of the angle property of the triangles. So see, if these two angles corresponding angles of one triangle are equal to the two corresponding angle of the other triangle, then by that property we can refer as angle C is also equal to angle R. This is we by what, angle sum of triangle. This property we can use it, and you know very well how to use it. So 1, 2, 3, all three angles of one triangle are equal to the three triangles of other triangle. So this is what, similar. So we refer as, so therefore triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. But again come back to the criteria. If this, by using this angle test or angle test, if two angles are given, there is no need to find out the third angle. It is already equal. That's why. So we refer this angle is what, angle criteria also only. So in this group they are using only the angle criteria for the similarity. We cannot say that angle. Okay, stop this. So if these two triangles are similar, means we know the corresponding sides are not equal. So which corresponding sides then? So AB correspond to what, PQ. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by what, that QR is equal to what, that AC by QR. So AC by PR. So see, this is after we proving that these two triangles are what, congruent. So therefore this is what, by angle criteria of similarity. So our question is like this here. Okay, it is the first thing. Okay, now go to the second one. Second criteria. Okay, I am writing here, or angle. Second thing we refer as a side. That is side criteria for similar triangle. It's referred as what, side. We know this, we are already familiar with this word because we are using in the congruency of triangle also. Here what we know that corresponding sides are in the same ratio, means they are in proportion. So here this is any one triangle, this is another triangle. Okay, this is P, Q, R, this is X, Y, Z, and it is already given that PQ and XY is equal to, if suppose, and QR divided by YZ is equal to PR by XZ. If this is followed, means suppose this is 8 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. If it is suppose it is 6, this is 3. If it is suppose 8, so it should be 4, and suppose it is given 4, so it is given 2, like this. Okay, so see, if you find the ratio PQ by XY, 6 by 3, that is what? It is 6 by 3 is nothing but 2 by 1. It is QR by YZ, if you refer as a 4 by 2, 4 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 1, right? And lastly it is 8 by 4, so is nothing but again what? 2 by 1. See, these all ratios are equal, means they are in same ratio or they are in proportion. Then we can say that triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ by side, right area of similar triangle, isn't it? And we know again, if the two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are given. So what's remaining there? Corresponding angles, and they are what? Equal. Then we can say that PQ and XY, PQ XY, PQ QR, PQ QR. This angle is given here. So we have got an angle like this. So angle P is equal to angle X, angle Q is equal to angle Y, and angle R is equal to angle Z. By using this criteria, we have to find the examples also. Is that it? Next thing is that third question we have taken. See, third criteria, that is what? Side, angle, side. It is at SAS criteria for similar triangle. Okay, what is side, angle, side? You know this word we already learned. Already here you heard this one. You heard this word in the criteria of counter of triangle. Now, side. What it says that? These are the two triangles. Okay, these are two triangles. Again, we name and suppose ABC and PQR. Okay, so what are sides of two triangles? Sides of corresponding sides of two triangles are the same ratio, and the angle included between them, they are equal. Okay, means what? Here suppose the criteria is given that if suppose AB by PQ, they are equal, and is equal to BC by QR, AB by PQ, this ratio, and BC by QR, these ratios are equal. So included angle, this angle is included in these corresponding sides which are the same ratios. If these angles are equal, means what? Angle B is equal to angle Q. These are corresponding sides. This angle included between that corresponding sides which are the same ratio. Then we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is what? By side, angle, side, criteria of similar triangle. Okay, these are the three criteria we deals with this in this chapter, in this exercise. We just go through this one. What about then? Criteria are different. Okay, see, it's okay. Now see, if suppose this A and this PI, suppose AB, I will just cut this here. Okay, that's all. If AB, PQ, this is okay. Angle A and angle PR, can they are in similar by side, angle, side? Because these angles which are the equals, they are not included between that sides which are the same ratio. That's why this is not for this criteria. The angle should be in between these two sides only. That is the corresponding angles, isn't it? Okay. See, we'll see one example for this. If suppose any one triangle is given, like this one. One is bigger, one is smaller. Again, I am writing the name of P, Q, R, and X, Y, Z. Here what? angle P is equal to angle Z. Okay, angle P is equal to angle Z. Angle Q is equal to angle P was fallen there. So R, we can R. Angle R is equal to, suppose it will fall here, angle X. Okay, what about this one? See, P is found here. So just to think about this. Angle P is equal to angle Z. Angle R is equal to angle X. So what about Q and Z? They are also what? Q and Y. They are also what? Equal by this thing. But two angles are same, means you can say these two angles are congruent. Sorry, similar. Because by using the angle. Any two angles of two triangles are equal. Then third angle is already equal. So therefore that two triangles are similar by angle criteria of similarity. So therefore we can write therefore triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ by angle criteria of similarity. Isn't it? See. And we know if these two triangles are similar, then come back again here. So they are all corresponding angles are all equal. One angle is remaining. So what that? Therefore angle Q, I am just writing on the upper side to get here. Means what? After this I am writing here. Therefore what? Remaining angle Q is equal to angle Y. And see, so all corresponding sides also what? Same ratio. So what we write? Therefore PQ by corresponding sides. Okay. See, PQR is similar to, I am writing that here. So it is good to understand. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. Okay. Now the name PQR XYZ, is it correct? So again see, when you writing the name, that means you have to see on that criteria basis. So instead it is wrong. So you can go with that. For that PQR is similar to triangle. See, P and Z are say equal. So Z. After that Q and Y. So what that? Y. And lastly got R. So it is what? X. You see this one. PQR is similar to Z, Y, X. Okay, this is P is equal to Z, Q is equal to Y, R is equal to X. So it is given here, right? Then we have to write for that third angle we know. Now side. So this PQ, this side and ZX. So PQ by ZY is equal to, now QR and XY, QR by XY, YX is equal to remaining thing, this thing, PQ, PR by ZX. They are in proportion, only these types of proportion there. So when writing the name of the triangle, that is using particular criteria. So what you have to use. Don't write it randomly, PQ, R and XYZ. So it is wrong. Okay, go with this. Okay, like this. Your first question is only the understanding basis. Just go through it and some short problems are given after 6.2, means before the 6.3. Just go through it and your first question is, I think, first question is only understanding basis. Read the question carefully and try to solve it. So it is easier. Tomorrow we will see the next part of the same. Thank you.